Welcome to my channel. Thanks again for joining me tonight. As usual, my name is Cherry Mark. Welcome to this Kikuyu channel where we learn how to speak Kikuyu, where we learn the basics. So today I have something different prepared for you. But before we go ahead, I want to thank everyone who has been watching my videos, liking my videos, and as usual commenting down there, and even for those who have been requesting that I use the writings in my videos. So I thought about it today, and I just tried my best to put my lesson together, and I even tried to include the text or the words in my lesson. So this is what we're going to learn today. We're going to learn about parts of the body. Remember, we are learning parts of the body in Kikuyu. And most of the parts that I have today are parts of our face and just a few parts down our face. So we're going to start right away, and the first word we're going to learn today is the word eyes. Eyes are called maido. So I am going to include the word for you guys just to see, and this is how we write that. Maido, eyes. Maido, eyes. That's the plural form of eyes. If it's one eye, rido. So you remove that M and A, and you have RITHO. Rido. Rido is the singular form. Maido is the plural form of eyes. Now the second thing we're going to learn is the word teeth. Our teeth are called magego. That's how we write it. Teeth are called magego. Remember, magego is the plural form of teeth. If it's one tooth, it's called igego. Igego is the plural, the singular form of teeth. Igego. The plural form is magego, just as it's written down in this paper. Not to forget, remember, I tried my best to include the words in the video, but I stand also to be corrected, because as I mentioned in the videos before, I am not good in writing Kikuyu. So I stand to be corrected. I will teach you how to speak the words, how to pronounce the words, but I cannot guarantee you if that's how they are written. That's the exact writing form in Kikuyu. I stand to be corrected. Don't forget that. So let's go ahead. And the next thing we will learn is the nose. The nose is called inioro. Since it's only one nose, there are not two noses, Inioro. It just remains Inioro, 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 nose. The next word we are going to learn is the word, it's the word face. Our face is called audio, audio, audio. This is how we write the word face. Audio, audio. It's only one face, so it doesn't change. It remains audio. There's no plural form of the word face. Audio, face. The next thing we are going to learn is the word mouth. The mouth is called kanua, 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 kanua. And that's how we write the word mouth. Kanua. Let's say, for example, you want to say a big mouth. Kanua, kanene. Kanua, kanene. Kanene is big. And if you want to say the word small mouth, kanua, kanini. Kanua, kanini. Kanini is small. Kanene is big. Now, we're going to go ahead and still learn the word fingers. Fingers are called dwara, dwara, dwara. That's how we write fingers. Dwara, dwara, dwara. Fingers. If it's one finger, it's called roara, roara, roara. If there are many, they are called dwara, dwara. That's how we write the word finger. Now, the next word we are going to learn, we have now learned most of the things in our face. So we are going to move on and do the hands. The hands are called moko, 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 moko. Hands are called moko. One hand is called woko, woko, woko. If you want to say, maybe you want to be specific and say one hand, woko komwe, woko komwe. If you want to say two hands, moko mere, moko mere. Mere are two. Woko komwe. Komwe is one. Woko komwe. Moko mere. We as Kenyans usually, okay, let me just use an example. It's very common to hear someone tell you, may God bless the work of your hands. So if you want to translate this in Kikuyu using Kikuyu, you can say, Gai aradhime wira wa moko maku. Gai aradhime, may God bless wira wa moko maku, the work of your hands. Wera is work. Wa with moko maku, your hands. Ngai arathime wĩra wa moko maku. Ngai arathime wĩra wa moko maku. May God bless the work of your hands. We use our hands doing whatever we do in this life. It is our hands. So we simply use this very often in Kenya and even in the Kikuyu tribe, and I just wanted to let you know how we can translate that. Now we're going to go ahead and learn the last word for today. The last word is legs. The legs are called magoro, 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 legs. Maybe you want to say one leg. Kogoro, kogoro, kogoro. One leg, kogoro. You can even be specific and say one leg. Kogoro, komoe. Kogoro, komoe. Komoe, we said, is one. Kogoro is the singular form of legs, which we said is kogoro. Or when they are many, magoro. You can say two legs. Magoro, Mary. Magoro, Mary. Mary meaning two. Let's say, for example, you want to say, she has long legs. Ena magoro maraihu. Ena magoro maraihu. She has, or maybe he has, long legs. Ena magoro maraihu. Ena, you or she or he. Magoro, legs, maraihu, long legs. She or he has long legs. Magoro, maraihu. Or maybe you want to say ena, maybe you want to say she or he has short legs. You can say ena magoro makuhe. Ena magoro makuhe. Ena, we said, is he, she, or he, whoever you are referring to. Magoro are the legs. Makuhe is that small size or the short size, short legs. Magoro, makuhe, short legs. Magoro, legs, makuhe, short. That's how you can say that. Maybe you want to say you broke your leg. Nidiraonire kogoro gwakwa. Nidiraonire kogoro gwakwa. I broke my leg. Nidiraonire kogoro gwakwa. I broke my leg. Nidiraonire, I broke. Kogoro, the leg. Gwakwa, my leg. I broke my leg. Let's go back one step before, and maybe let's say, for example, you want to say I broke my hand. Nidiraunire woko wakwa. I broke my hand. Nidiraunire, kuna is the act of breaking. Woko wakwa. I broke my hand. Woko is the hand, one hand. Wakwa is my. Nidiraunire woko wakwa. Woko, we said, is one hand. Moko are many. So without going far much than that, I want to stop this video right away. It's my hope that you were able to come along with me and even you are able to learn. I hope I brought everything as it's supposed to be. I tried my best to put that request into practice, and let's hope that we're going to see another time, and even in the next lesson. Keep liking this video, and let's see us next time. I wish you all a good night, a good evening, and even a beautiful day wherever you are. Thank you so much for joining me. Till next time, goodbye and good night.